Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cord. Actually, I recorded a video about this cord before, but it has some technical problems, so I want to make a new video. I want to make a new video quickly because I share this bag with you, and I use this cord for the tulip bag. But I went for a camping for a few days and I got sick, as always. And I went to the beach for camping and swimming, and I have flu now. I use this bag at the beach and on the grass, almost everywhere at the night, and it's still same. I want to show you this too, so you can make and use it anywhere you want. I guarantee that. Of course, yarn is important here too, but the shape of the bag is good too. It's a strong bag, and I want to show you how to make this cord now with the same color but different kind of yarn. I think I always choose same kind of colors, and if you heard some weird noises while I recording, so sorry for that. And if you are ready, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and let's start. I will start with a slip knot. I'm using 6.5mm crochet hook. You can use any crochet hook you use easily. Chain 2. Skip this first chain and into that second chain insert your hook. Grab the yarn and pull it through. I have 2 loops on the hook. Yarn over and pull it through from these 2 loops. I made a single crochet. For the row 2, we will rotate this cord like that. Turn it like that, and you see there's a one strand of yarn. Okay, you see that's our single crochets loops. And that's the first loop. That's our first strand we will use. Only for this row we have one strand of yarn here. I will show you now. Insert your hook here. Take the yarn and make a single crochet. And turn it again. You see these 2 strands now, 2 layers here, and that's from the 2 loops from the row 1. Okay, that's our first 2 loops. We made a single crochet with them, and that's the row 2's 2 loops. We will use them for the next row. Turn it like that. Insert your hook under these 2 loops. Grab the yarn, make a single crochet. Turn it like that, and you see these 2 loops. Insert your hook under them. Grab the yarn, make a single crochet. turn it again, single crochet, turn it, insert your hook from both of them, make a single crochet. We will just keep making the same thing again and again and again. When you reach your length you need, you can just finish it with a single crochet, and you can make a chain and cut this yarn and hide it. Then you will sew these two parts to your work. If you want, you can leave a little more leftover yarn from starting and finishing, so you can use this yarns for sewing, and it's that easy. You can use it anywhere you want, and it's easy to make. If you're working with a thicker yarn like that, it's a cotton macrame yarn, it will be bigger easily, and it will be strong. You can use it anywhere you want. I hope you like it. If you like, please don't forget to push the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And you can reach me on my Instagram address. It's Serin's Crochet. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day.